Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Nugroho. So in this video is the fourth part of the WordPress tutorial. So, like I promised in the previous video, I will change my college website a little bit, and in this video, I will give you some tutorial how to add an image or make or editing a page and other. So without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so this is my site page, my college page, my college website. So you can see in here this website was have an logo, and I was change the text like this. Then I change the text, and this is the majors I was change it to. And for this I haven't finished it, and this too, but this is the student testimonial. I don't finish it too, but that's okay, because we were together to build this website. Okay, first, like normal, we have login to the our site dashboard. So I was login to my dashboard. In here you can see. So first I want to change this image. How to change this image? I will show you how to change that image. Okay, first. Okay, first go to the appearance and then login to Tortes, and the password is 5 until 1 until 5, and then login. I want to change this image, and I want to change my logo in here. So go to the themes, go to in appearance, go to the themes and customize the Colibri WP. Then in the main page, in here, scroll to below, and I was I was prepared the image for change this image. So to change that image, you must to click the image, and then in here in the right panel you can click in here, and then it will take you to the image gallery. So this is media library that your image was your upload in here. And if you want to upload a files or image from your computer, you can go to the upload files and then select file, and the maximum upload size file is 2 megabyte. So you must be careful. First, I have 3 image in here, that is puppet 2, puppet 1, puppet 2, and the puppet 3. I want to upload the puppet 1. Okay, this is the puppet 1. So choose the puppet 1 image and then select. And if you want to crop, you can click the crop image button, and if you want to skip the cropping, you can click the skip cropping button. I want to skip cropping, and this is my image was entered this website, and it's too big. So if you want to tidy up the scale of this image, you can go to the style in here, and then go to image. Wait, no. Okay, continue. So if you want to tidy up the scale, you can go to the content and then select the custom size to on, and in the pen button you can click it, and then you can set the max height and max width. So I will set it. Wait, this is too small. mm, Maybe like this. Okay, so the max sake I will go to the 120, 120, 20. So wait, maybe 130. Okay, it's okay. No, it's so small. Okay, so I will change the other two image, like this process, the process of the first image, and repeat again. So uh it will back again when the image was changed. Okay guys, I was changed the image, and this is the reason. Okay, okay, I was changed the image, and then don't forget to publish it. After publish, I will show you how to change the logo, because I have another version of this logo. So you can select the logo, and then go to the right panel in the content, click the logo image in here, and then upload files, select files. So uh, this is my site logo now, and I want to change it to this logo. Okay, then open. Okay, after the image was entered the media library, you can click the select and skip cropping. So this is my logo of this college site. And go back to the C page, we will see the project. Okay, my logo was changed, and wait, this is some error in here. Oh, I know. So in here, in the custom size, you must to set the size the max width seems like the max height. So I will set the max width 130. Wait, 130, and here the custom size is 130, and in here 130, and then publish. And we will see again in the C tab. Okay, the image was right, and back to the top. So in the button below the Backnine University text, I want to, if a viewer click this button, it will take the viewer to the About Us page, and I want to fill the content in the About Us page. And for editing the page, first we in the editor mode, you have to close the Colibri builder. So, and after that, we go to the page section, and to the about us page, and choose edit with Kubio. Okay, edit in Kubio page. So I will see this step to the about us. So I will think about the content in this page. First, maybe I will add a blank section, and first in this blank section, so I will tell you how to build a page using Kubio. First, I want to select 2 by 2 layout. Okay, then I will add a block in here. I will add an image in here, and this is the image. I will upload the image later, and in here I will add text editor. Wait, I will add paragraph. Okay, and I will add blank section again. I will add paragraph again. And because this is about the website information, so I will fill this page and I will back again when this page was filled. Okay guys, like you can see in here. Okay guys, like you can see in here, I was add some text for the information of this university, and you can see the space of the first column and the second column is very long, and for the readers the column long is first I will reduce the first column. Okay, so you can click the first column and then to the layout and spacing. In there you can see in the spacing that is a bottom spacing, and you can decrease the bottom setting like it. And to the second columns, you can click it, and to the layout and spacing again, now it's the top spacing. So the space was decreased, and now we can look it nice. Next to the image, I was add an image in in here, and you can see in here the image is very not nice when we see it. So I want to make a border for the curve point. So for that you can click the image and go to the style, and in the border, in the radius, you can write what you want to see for the radius. For this video, for this image, I will choose 10 for the radius. Okay, you will see. That's enough. And then in here, you can tidy up the text line like this. This is justified mode. So when I choose the right to the alt left to right mode, it's like this. And when I choose the central mode, it will like this. But the nicest the best text line is the justifies text. Then this is I will justify it again, and then for 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 the user experience, I will add some animation when some viewer open this page. So first I will add an animation for the image. I will choose after you click the image, you can go to the content, and then in the below of link you can go to the entrance animation, and then you can select the animation what do you want. So I will select, and uh, only only five animation that's free. And now I will select fat in left. Oh, this good. I will use fat in left for the image. And for the text, I will choose. Mm, oh yeah. For the text, this is the small text, and this is the group of the text, or we can say that columns. So for that, you can setting the spacing and alignment. So open the spacing and alignment in the layout, and then you can setting the spacing and the alignment. But I will not change the spacing and the alignment because I think it is good. So I will not change it. And then back to the animation, I will give it the animation too. So the animation is fade in right. Okay, that goes too. Okay, now the second columns I will add the animation for fade in fade in down, maybe. Nope, fade in up. Okay, then don't forget to save the change. Okay, saving. Okay, back to the C page. Then we will reload the about page. Okay, so the the information has appeared and there is an animation in there. We back to the home and then click the about us menu, and we can see the information about Back 9 University. And I want to this button go to the about us page too. So how we can do that? So to to do that, we have to uh, we have to exit the Kubio first. To exit, and then to exit you can click this button to go navigation and to click the dashboard. It will take you to the WordPress dashboard again. And then if you want to this button take you to the about us page, you can go to the page and then uh, in about us page, you can select edit normally. Edit. You can click the edit. And in the left panel there is the link. Oh no, in here there is the link. Okay, so this is the link of the about us page. So you can copy this page, copy link address. You can click the copy link address, and then back to the back to the appearance. In appearance, you go to the customize colibri WP. Okay, wait, and after that, waiting for the loading. Okay, then after that, you can click the about us button, and then in the content in the link, you can uh, paste the link where what do you copy. Okay, after that we click the setting for the link. So this is the setting for the link. If we click the button, are the link open in same window or new windows? I will select to same window. Okay, then publish. Okay, now we will back to the C page and don't forget to reload the page. After that, we will click the button below the Back 9 University. Okay, so this button was can take us to the about us page.